Benefits of Motival Plus Herbal Tablets for Pigeon Flying Performance. Motival Ayurvedic tablets offer a wide range of benefits that every pigeon enthusiast will appreciate. Advantages of this herbal supplement. Number 1. Enhanced daytime flying performance. Number 2. Increased flying duration. Number 3. Boosted strength and stamina. Number 4. No harmful side effects. It is important to note that this product is not a narcotic substance, nor is it imported from other countries. This ensures the highest standards of quality and safety for your pigeons. It enhances your pigeons' flying performance. Do you wish to improve the flying performance of your beloved pigeons? Motival Plus herbal tablets have been formulated with a singular objective in mind: to significantly boost your pigeon's stamina during flight, build its strength, and prevent fatigue. Thanks to its unique formula, Motival Plus is suitable for all types of flying pigeons, whether they are low-altitude flyers or high-altitude flyers. You will witness an extraordinary improvement in your pigeon's flying capabilities, unlike anything you have experienced before. With the help of Motival Plus herbal tablets, your pigeons can unlock their full flying potential, fly for longer durations, and maintain a greater sense of vitality. Dosage instructions for Motival Plus herbal tablets. For optimal results, simply administer one Motival Ayurvedic tablet to your pigeon 15 to 30 minutes prior to flight. It is best to administer the pill with water. Before feeding the pill to the pigeon, it is advisable to coat it with a layer of raisins, or sultanas, and almonds. The thickness of this coating should be determined based on the pigeon's expected flight duration. Regarding the flying duration, keep this key point in mind. The longer the pigeon is expected to fly, the thicker the coating layer should be. For instance, if your pigeon is scheduled to fly for 8 hours, the coating should be applied in such a way that its effects begin to manifest approximately 1 to 1.5 hours before the flying concludes. This ensures that the pigeon's fatigue is completely alleviated, allowing it to begin regaining its strength and stamina. Regular use of this pill will not only help extend flight duration but will also boost your pigeon's overall strength and endurance throughout the day. Tip: you must take special care to ensure that, prior to a flying, your pigeon is in perfect health and has had adequate rest. The pigeon should not be sick or lethargic, rather, it should be completely healthy and brimming with energy. To ensure optimal performance during every flying, it is essential to prioritize the pigeon's recovery, both before the flying begins and after it returns. You can order these pills online via Amazon, or by calling the Indian WhatsApp number 0946399090. You can have them delivered directly to your doorstep.